It all started with caffeine-fueled desperation. It was finals week, and the university library was a war zone. Every single desk, carrel, and beanbag chair was occupied by a zombie-like student staring at a textbook. I spent 45 minutes just wandering the stacks like a ghost, my heavy backpack feeling like a concrete block. That's when I had the thought that would change my life. The library had this ancient, clunky web portal that showed a floor map, and if you squinted, you could see which desks were supposed to be available. It was slow, barely worked on mobile, and nobody used it. But it had data. That night, instead of studying for my history of calculus exam, I stayed up and wrote a simple Python script. It was ugly, inefficient code, but it did one thing perfectly. It scraped the library's portal every 60 seconds and spat out a clean, simple list of open desk numbers. I hosted it on a free server, gave it a ridiculous name, StudySpotter, and shared the link with 2 friends. I woke up the next morning to 75 text messages. My 2 friends had shared it with their friends, who shared it with their study groups. My cheap server had crashed 3 times from the traffic. People weren't just using it, they were relying on it. That's when I saw the real potential. Over winter break, I learned how to build a proper mobile app. I added features like notifications for when a spot opened up in your favorite section. By the time the next semester started, StudySpotter had its own university-sanctioned app with over 10,000 users. The university's IT department loved it because it reduced congestion, students loved it because it saved them time, and I loved it because it was working. Soon, other universities reached out. First, a local community college, then a major state school across the country. What began as a scrappy script to solve my own frustration became a subscription-based service for universities nationwide. Today, my little finals week project is a full-blown SaaS company, and it all started because I was just trying to find a place to sit.